Hello learner, we welcome you to our channel Easy Science for All. In this lecture number 2, we are going to discuss about chemical equations. A chemical equation is a tool to describe a chemical reaction. What occurs in a chemical reaction can be conveyed in short with the help of a chemical equation. This is the general form of a chemical equation. As you can see, the reactants are supposed to be written on the left hand side of the arrow, whereas products are to be written on the right hand side of the arrow. We can write a chemical equation in two ways. One way is to use words for writing a chemical equation. Such an equation is known as word equation. As you can see in this example, we have used the words carbon and oxygen for the reactant, whereas carbon dioxide for the product. We can still write this word equation in a shorter form using the chemical formula or symbols for reactants as well as products in the following manner. In this second example, we have used symbols for writing a chemical equation. Till now, we have discussed about chemical equations. Now, the next question that comes to the mind is how to describe a chemical reaction. We can describe a chemical reaction using any of the following three forms, that is, the sentence form, the word equation form, or writing equations using chemical symbols. A chemical reaction can be described by writing it in sentence form, as is clear from the following example. But the disadvantage with this method is that it is quite long as compared to word equation form or writing chemical equations using chemical symbols. The substances that undergo chemical change in a reaction are known as reactant. In this example, carbon burns in oxygen to give carbon dioxide. So, as per the definition of reactants, carbon and oxygen are the reactants because they are forming a new product, that is carbon dioxide. A chemical reaction always begins with the reactants. The new substances formed during a reaction are known as products. In this example, the new product formed is carbon dioxide. The products are the new substances formed during a chemical reaction. The products are different chemical substances than the reactants that started the reaction. There are various characteristics of a chemical equation. Some of them are as follows. A chemical equation shows change of reactants to products through an arrow placed between them. The arrowhead in a chemical equation always points towards the products. The arrowhead shows the direction of reaction. The reactants are always written on the left hand side with a plus sign between them. Similarly, the products are always written on the right hand side with a plus sign between them. If you have any query regarding the topic chemical equations, please write to me at Easy Science for All. Thank you for watching this video.